Hi there, I'm Darryl Williams from Python Bytes, and in this XRCed tutorial I'll be showing you how to install wxPython. So the way we do that is we go to Google, we do a search and we type wxPython, and we click wxPython, and here we are. Welcome to wxPython. You click that link and here we have the wxPython.org website, and we click downloads. So here we have the current release of wxPython and how to install it using pip, but we want an older version, so we go to old releases at SourceForge, and here we have the various versions, and what we're looking for is Python 2.8. We're looking for Python 2.8.12.1. So we click that link. So we click 2.8.12.1, and we want to look for Unicode 32-bit for 2.7. So just hovering, we got wxPython 2.8. Keeps moving. Hang on, what's that one there? That's development. There we go. 2.8.12.1 for Python 2.7. So we click that link and we're waiting for the download on SourceForge. And there it is there, so we click save. So go in tools, downloads on Firefox. There we go. It's not a very big file. Oh yeah, it's 10 megabytes. It's still downloading though. We got the X to remove, there we go. So click that to find out where it is. There we go there. So now I want to run that to install it. So double click that, go run. I've got a message, user account control. Do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? I select yes, and the installer has appeared, so click next. I accept the agreement, click next. Now this is to install it on my Windows, but I don't want it on there. I want it on the USB stick. So I go browse, and then I go up the top. Is it the top? Here we go, WinPython. I'll click that little arrow there, click that, and in here double click Python 2.7.12, go to lib, and then scroll down to site packages, and that is where all our modules or packages are installed. So we go OK. Oh no, before I do that, I check because I had a problem before. Yes, see, they got site packages, site packages. So here you got site packages from the backslash onwards, removed that extra site packages. Just a quirk with the installer, so delete that, and then I'll click next to install it. Yep, I'll click next. So now it's going through the installation process. Okay, so the installation wizard has finished, and here we've got these tick boxes for README, compile python.py files to PyC, create batch files for the tool scripts. So we want to go, these all have to be ticked, so click finish. Okay, now command prompt opens up and it is now compiling wxPython on the USB stick. This may take a while. Okay, so the installation is complete. The command prompt, Windows command prompt has disappeared. I've got the README file, so close that. If I go to WinPython, so go in there, Python 2.712, go lib, then site packages, then scroll down, wxPython has been installed. Yep, go wx, go to tools, and there we have it, XRCed. This is the version that I've had no problems with XRCed crashing. So now what this means is you have a USB stick with Python 2.7 which has wxPython 2.8.12.1 and it's on a USB stick. You can plug this USB stick in your computer or laptop. In my case, my laptop has Python 3 installed. So now you can run Python 2.7 on a USB and Python 3 on your computer. You can design XRC files using XRCed, then transfer them to your computer which has Python 3. I'll show you the whole process, and then you can run XRC files created by XRCed in Python 3. I hope that wasn't complicated, what I just said. But anyway, next tutorial, or the following tutorials, will go into detail about creating frames, panels, and so forth. So for now, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave them below the video. I'll get back to you as soon as possible and answer your questions. And any suggestions you may have for future tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Until the next tutorial, have a good day. I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.